Grilled spatchcocked chicken at an intense 800 degrees for only 15 minutes. Like, subscribe, and let's dive into it. The oven's all fired up, hitting a blazing 800 degrees, and it's locked in for the next couple of hours. Time to focus on the chicken marinade. Begin by juicing a lemon with a manual press. Then mix the chopped green onions with the lemon juice and a tablespoon of olive oil in a bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper flakes, and 1 teaspoon of paprika to bring that fiery, red-hot flavor. Let's blend it all together now. With a wooden brush, I'll ensure every ingredient is perfectly combined. Preparing the chicken starts with making cuts all over the top to enhance marinade penetration. After transferring it to a container to maintain cleanliness, I'll use the food brush to apply a thick layer of marinade, making sure to cover every part. Alright, let's get the oven ready. I'll spread the coals inside, making sure the fire is evenly distributed, effectively turning the wood-fired oven into a grill. Let's position the Tuscan grill right in the middle of the embers to absorb all that intense heat. Once it's ready, we'll gently remove it and lay the marinated chicken skin side down. Back in the oven it goes, battling the fire for a solid 10 minutes. As the heat rises and the flames grow stronger, it's quite a sight. Just look at that. It's absolutely stunning. So, we'll take out the grill and flip the chicken over. With the flames dancing around on the sides, we'll let it cook for an extra 5 minutes. In just short time, the chicken's skin has turned a delightful golden brown, with the internal temperature reaching 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's remove the chicken from the oven. Once it's cooled down a little bit, I'm gonna use a knife to see how it looks. This smells so good, and the meat is so tender. I can't wait to try it. Grilling chicken in a pizza oven imparts a smoky flavor that's simply delicious. I guarantee you, this chicken was incredibly tasty.